Shut up and sit down.
Union is strength, or unity is strength. We know the old story of the bundle of sticks. The old man's son could not break the sticks in a bundle, but they broke each stick quite easily. Thus, the old man taught them to be united. If they worked together as brothers, they would be strong. If they quarreled, they would be weak. His lesson was union is strength. To be strong, a football or a hockey team must learn teamwork. If each member plays his own game, he will lose the match. Napoleon divided the friendly countries, then be attacked them one by one. So, a united nation, a united family, a united team is strong. United we stand, divided we fall.